Hey everybody, it's Sam and I've got
Hi,
Nan. Hey.
Hi everyone, I'm Samantha's Nan, that you must know by now.
Oh, see, she thinks she's famous now. I mean, she just assumes that you all know. But yes, for anybody new to the channel, this is my Nan and we craft together when she comes to visit. So yeah, today we are making, we're not doing Christmas no more. Christmas is done in terms of crafting. But we wanted to do a nice card for you to give to your daughter and son-in-law.
Yes.
So this is going to be Nan's thank you card for her Christmas presents that she's got. Do you want to hold the card up and show them what we've made? So this is a double Z fold. I have similar on the channel already, I think in a 6x6 version.
Beautiful.
Lovely, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
Come up that way, a little bit there. So the whole thing folds flat. Now you can have it that way. So you can have that over the top. Or you can have it so it slides and closes. And this is a 5x7 size, so it'll fit in your envelope. Do you want to show them how it stands? So when it's open, and it will stand like so.
Beautiful.
And do you want to open it right up and show them where they can write their message? So you can see inside there, you've got space to write your message or more decoration. And yeah, I'll show you the papers, what we use, talk about the different toppers that you can have. Did you find it easy to make?
Very easy, yes.
Really quick make as well.
It was a quick make, yes,
right.
definitely.
Do you want to tell everybody, let me show you how to make it?
Yes, let me show you how to make it. Yes. I said it wrong.
No, you said it right. So I thought it would be nice for us to use this lovely paper pad here. This is the Craft Stash & Co. and it was by Katie Skilton. You love all these pinks, don't you? Really pretty.
Very, very pretty.
Really nice. So I've already gone ahead and cut everything for Nan. I have stuck a little bit down as well, just to make it a bit easy. But we're going to do some scoring first. So you've seen the scoreboard before, haven't you?
Yes.
Do you remember what you do with this one? So you're going to want 2 pieces of 10x7 cardstock. And I'm going to, if you want to hold that like you hold a pen, okay? And you're going to score at 2.5. So I'm just going to, I've already actually done the score lines for you, Nan, but just so you can do it, I just pop you in there. There we go. Oh, hang on, hold on. Wait. There we go. And then just all the way down. Perfect. So 2.5 and then at 5. So let me just pop you in place there. There we go. Push down all the way down. Perfect. So we've got our 2.5 and our 5-inch score line along the 10-inch side, and you want to do that on both pieces. So we've already done this one. We prepared this earlier. I've already stuck down on this one, which I'm going to stick on top here. This glitter card is a piece of 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So just stick that down on the one that's going to go on top of this one here. That is all the scoring you need. So we can pop this away now, Nan. So I'll just put that back in there for you. Okay, so next we want to do a little bit of folding. So I'm going to let you do this one here, and you can follow my lead with this one. So there's a line right through the middle there. Okay, I want you to fold this right over in half. Okay, so you're going to fold the whole card in half. So right now we've got a 5x7 card blank. You then want to fold, there's another score line here.
Oh, right.
Fold that back towards you. That way, that's it. Fold it down, that's it, and crease. And I'm going to do the same on this one. So you want to create the Z fold. You see that Z fold shape?
Yep.
And then you're going to turn one around like this, and then you're going to stick one over the other. We're going to stick this one over because we've already stuck the silver paper. Okay,
that's lovely.
Easy to do, and you can see how that all folds down into that Z fold gate fold. All right. Now we'll use this glue here because it's nice and strong. So if you want to hold that one, and if you squeeze it out, and I'll help guide you. Go on, give it a bit of a squeeze. Go on, put some welly in it. That's it. That's it.
Oh, that's
No, it's coming out. I can see it. You still want to hold it. I'm just going to help guide it. You hold it and squeeze it, and I'm going to help guide it for you. Okay. All the way up, all the way along here, all the way down, and along here, and then all the way. That'll do. Perfect. Okay, I'll take the glue for you, and then we'll flip this over. And I want you to stick it on top of this one here. So if I just kind of start to place it for you. You got that one? And that's it. And then that's it.
Is it?
Yeah, let me just straighten you up a little bit. We need to just get this straight so it stands. There you go. Now push that down. Make sure all that glue's spread out. All right. Perfect. Now I've got this beautiful pretty floral.
Oh, that is pretty.
Like a little ditzy print.
Yes.
So that there is 4.5 by 6.5, and this is going to sit over the top here. What I've done on this one is I've put double-sided tape on it already for you. So I'm just going to help take the backing off, and then you can stick that one down.
that's handy.
So it doesn't matter which way up this one goes.
No.
If you want to hold that, okay. Now again, I'll just guide you down so we can get a nice glittery border. Yeah. Happy with that?
Is it? Yeah, as long as you are.
No, it's your card.
Yeah.
Go on then.
I think so.
Okay, commit to it. Push it down. That's it. I think that's good enough.
Oh, that's lovely. Very nice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Right. So we've got the inside ready. Now what I thought would be nice, because you're going to want somewhere to write your message, I've got this plain white piece here.
That's going to be a fun. My writing's terrible.
It's okay, we can help with that. So with this piece here, I've done it to 4.5 by 2.5, and that will sit in between, or the same width as the pattern paper. We want to get this piece in the middle. So what I'll do is I'll pop the glue, because this is white on white, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to see. I'll just pop that on there for you. And then if you take that one, okay, again, kind of guide you where you roughly want to have it. So about there, okay. Then stick that one down.
Yeah.
Yep, perfect. Yep, looks good to me.
That's lovely.
All right, so this is going to fold down. So now we've got all our panels for the front, and this is what really makes this card special. So you're going to want to cut yourself 3 pieces of 2.25 by 5, and what's going to happen is we're going to have 2 of them stuck to the left hand side and 1 of them stuck to the right hand side.
Oh, look at that.
So when you open it,
Oh, that's lovely.
cute, isn't it?
Oh, that is.
So what you want to do first is we'll start with these 2 on the left. Get them up in the corner, and then it'll be easy to pop that middle one in. So again, I'm going to pop the glue on for you. Just want to put it on half of the side there. And then if I hold this one here, remember the glue's just behind your hand there.
Right.
And you want to pop it on there. Right, drop it down. And then if I just help you get it in that corner, there we go. Push down that corner there. Yeah, we've got to get this nice and straight. There we go. Perfect. If we go flat now, you can push that down. Make sure that glue's all spread out. Okay.
Lovely.
Perfect. And then we'll do the same
Very good, that glue.
with this one. Very good. It's my favourite glue, this one. So again, pop some glue there for you. So just on that 1/2, flip it over, and now you want to pop it down in the corner there. Okay, so bring that down. If I move my hand there, that's better. That's it, right down into the corner. Perfect.
Done that right, have I?
Might just bring it up a little bit there, but you've got it in the corner. There. Again, do you want to push that down?
That's lovely.
Okay, so we've got that side in place. So now when we hold it up, you can see how this is going to display. Isn't it going to look lovely?
Beautiful.
Really nice. She's going to love that one. So now with this one, pop the glue again on this side for you.
Oh,
Like so.
novel idea. That's what I'd say that was.
And now we want to close it all down. And we want to stick this one in the middle. So again, if you hold that one, kind of hover it there. If you push it down, push this end down here.
I can't see
No,
so
no, no,
well.
it's all right. It's pink on pink, so it's not easy.
Yeah.
I'll help you a little bit. There we go. You should have a little border, just a little gap, which we've got. If I just line that up for you. There we go. Go and push that down. Make sure that glue's spread out. Perfect. So we can see we've got that nice, you can see that like little pattern there. And it cool out, it kind of springs like that, but when it stands up,
Oh, look at that.
isn't that good?
That is really, really nice.
So we'll keep that flat, let that all dry, and we can stick these pieces here. So to decorate, we've got our mats and layers, which is all, again, these papers. It's such a pretty pad. You can see all the different designs. You get your polka dot, your hearts. So I think it's a good one for Valentine's, your stripes. And then why I thought this one was a good one for you, because you don't have to worry about any stamping, but it's got these topper sheets, which have all of the words. So you've got be happy,
Oh, look at that.
love you. You've got a little like envelope there.
Yeah.
Nice little frames, and you can stamp and do all sorts with them. So you're going to want to cut yourself 2 to 3 pieces, because we're not going to decorate the middle one because the sentiment's going to go in the middle and overhang. So 2 pieces of 2 by 4 3/4, and then 2 to 3 pieces of 1 3/4 by 4 1/2. So again, I've put double-sided tape on the back of these because we're sticking it onto glitter card, Nan. I think it's easier than using the liquid glue. So if I take this off for you, So now what we're going to do is stick one on the top portion. So we've got a pink frame and one on the bottom portion. Okay, so we open this up so we can know we just got to work on these two sides here. Again, I'll put the glue on for you. Okay, so now again you can see how that's all going to look when it's open. Okay, so if I just fold that over like so, this is just going to burnish our score lines a bit better. Again, if I just burnish that there so we can see it stands. Look at that. See, it is nice, isn't it? It's lovely.
Oh, it's lovely.
So now with the last one, and this kind of locks everything in place because this is bigger than this piece here. So what you want to do is cut yourself. If you want to do it similar to what we've done, you could have a nice circle topper on here, a heart-shaped one. I think that would look lovely as well. But this is 3 by, it's about 4.5, and then just drop down with whatever topper and sentiment that you're using. But that is going to go in the middle here.
Oh, that's lovely.
And it will lock that in place. So I think if we just add our glue just through the middle portion. If I flatten the card, okay, you drop this down again. If I just kind of get you roughly in place, okay. It looks good to me. Yeah, that looks fine. Oh, hang on, just slipped a little bit. No, you're fine. Just get rid of that glue there. You just want it overlapping onto each tier. Go on, push that down. That better?
That's lovely. Really
Doesn't look nice, doesn't it? And then that all slides in like so. And then we've got a little bit of decoration. So we've got a pretty little bow, which I thought would look nice on top, because this is all going to go into an envelope. And then you use these, I think, on one of the cards before. Can you see all that sparkle?
Oh, yeah.
So these are little gemstones. So
very
if I take one off for you, and you can, if you hold this, okay. Now, where do you want to put them? Where do you think the bow should go? On the corner? In the middle?
I'd like it there, actually.
Up, you want it up here? Okay, so we'll keep that there. We'll stick it in a minute. So where do you want to put some gems?
Well, right.
Maybe down here?
Yeah.
It's kind of, you've got a bit of a space there.
Yeah.
Okay, if you go where my finger is, can you see the pink glitter on my nails?
Yeah.
Go down onto that. All right. Move you up a little bit. Yep, that's it. And then I'm going to push it down. Right. Oh, hang on. Hang on. There we go. Right. Pull that away. Okay, now push that down. You push that with your finger. Go on, push it. That's it.
That's clever.
And let's get some more. Let me get another one for you.
That's very good, you know.
Pretty, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so again, you hold that one. And just follow my finger. Okay, and come along a little bit. Okay, I'll hold it. Pull it away. Okay, and then push it down with your finger. Perfect. And we'll do one more. You've always got to work in odd numbers.
It's unbelievable.
Okay, hold that one again.
Even this.
So just follow my finger there. Okay, yeah, I'll just pull it off there. I'll go on then. Okay, now push it down with your finger. Perfect.
Marvellous.
And then to finish it off, we just stick that bow down. We'll pop a little bit of glue. This will take give it half an hour to dry, but that will be fine. And we'll pop that one right down in the middle there.
That's lovely. Look at that.
Isn't it cute? So just let that dry for a second. So that's the card all finished. Nan, do you want to open it up and show it to the camera? Just bring it a little bit closer so that people can see how it works. Oh, this way. This way. You're resisting. I'm trying to pull you this way. I don't know who's over there.
Oh,
who are you showing over there? There we go. Let me just turn it for a little bit so you can see.
I love it.
Isn't it lovely?
I love it.
And then you've got your space inside to, you know, write your message. You could also have it close like that.
Yes.
That looks quite nice as well.
Yeah.
But I think it does look quite good when you slide it kind of under there.
That's nice like that.
Sweet, isn't it? But that's going to fit into a 5x7 envelope,
Oh.
which I'll give you in a moment, and then you can write in that as well. But you can also write on the back. You know, everyone's going to decorate it differently.
Oh,
and like I said,
lovely.
different toppers on it.
Yeah,
But
that's lovely.
nice.
Oh, bless you.
So you enjoyed this one?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, you having a good time so far?
Absolutely fantastic. I'm being treated like a queen. Let's put it that way. Yes, I am.
Well, we
bless
haven't seen you for a while, so
No.
you know we like to treat you. Anything you'd like to say?
you. I'd love to say a Merry and Happy Christmas and New Year to everyone. And those that have sent me cards, thank you so, so much. So very kind.
Oh, that's lovely, Nan. And I echo what Nan said. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you're all having a lovely time, whatever you're doing.
And my wonderful granddaughter here is fantastic. Now, I can't... I'm so proud of her. Let's put it that way. I am.
Proud of you too.
And I am proud of you.
Even your stubbornness, I love.
Oh, bless.
So that's from me and Nan, our little Christmas message. Love to you all. And yeah, again, just thank you for all the lovely comments. Nan gets comments daily on her YouTube videos.
Yeah.
So if I didn't share them before, I'll share some of the other Crafting with Nan videos here. You've got your own playlist now, Nan. I mean,
Yes,
can you believe
yes.
it? Yeah, own playlist. I think there's 7, maybe 8 tutorials in there.
Yeah.
So we try and do 2 to 3 a year if we can. So yeah, if you want to have a laugh and just something to make you smile, then check out our playlist. It's really sweet. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Oh, bye-bye, everyone.
And do you want to tell them to subscribe to the channel?
Oh, definitely just subscribe to that. And I'm sorry if my voice isn't very good, but I'm trying very hard. And I'm going to say I love you all. That's what I'm going to say. And be happy.
Oh, you're so cute. There you
Bless
go.
you.
What lovely words. Be happy, everyone. Take care. I'll see you all again soon. You're going to wave goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Oh.